Good morning, student. Yesterday I explained page number 45 and 46. Page number 45. I hope you have completed in books and in your copy also. Today I am going to start carrying thousands. Unit 5, page number 46, 47. Carrying thousands. So dear student, carrying thousands you can understand by examples. $3,625 and 3,841. If you take examples, you can add this. You see, this is ones place, this is tens place, and hundreds place. This is hundreds place. This is thousand place. You can add now 581, 6, 42, 6, 86, 86, 14, 4, 1 carry here, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, thousands place. So this is carrying thousands. So as thousands place, carrying 1 here, 3, 3, 6 and 1, 7. So dear student, this is very easy way. Carrying with thousands, you can understand in exercise 5C also. So I am going to start exercise 5C. Exercise 5C. It is very easy question. First A. 572 plus 624. 624. You can see 4 to 6, 7 to 9, and 6, 5, 11. So as if we are adding ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So thousands place taking as a carry 1 from 100. So it is 1196. In this way you can do question number B, C and D. There is no problem. 2A. Next 2A. 1453. 1453 plus 724. Plus 724. You see 4, 3, 7, 5, 2, 7, 4, 7, 4, 11, 1, 1 carry, and 1 and 1, 2. 2177. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Thousand place as carrying thousand. So thousand place it is carrying. So you can do question of B, C and D yourself. This is very easy exercise, and you can complete page number 46. Next page number 47. Question number 3rd. Next page number 47. Question number 3rd. Third A. 412 plus 503 plus 664. 437, 7 and 2, 9, 6 and 1, 7, 6, 5, 11, 11 and 4, 15. So this is also ones place as 1 tens 100. So 1 tens 100,000. Thus 1,000 place as carrying from hundreds. It is now 1,579. In this way, you can do question number B, C, D, and E, and question number 4A. 4A, 4,514, 4,514, 2,412, and 1,323. 1,323. 4 to 6, 6 and 3 9, 2 and 1 3, 3 1 4, 4 3 7, 7 and 5 12, 2 1 carry, 4 2 6, 1 7 and 1 8. It is 8,249. In this way, you can do for B, C, and D. Now, question number 5A. $555, 632, and plus 301, and 11. 5 2 7 and 1 8 and 1 9. 5 3 8, 8 and 1 9, 6 3 9, 9 and 5 14. You can see, if you add this, you can get 1,499. So this one, 1 tens 100,000, the thousandth place has taken carry from 100 place, and it is now adding with 1, and it is 1,499. So you can do 5B, C, and D, and E also. Next, 6th A. $5,623, 3,412, 3,412, 20, and 3. Now you can add this. 3 to 5, 5 3 8, 2 to 4 and 1 5, 6 4 10 0, 1 carry, 5 3 8 and 1 9, 9,058. So dear student, you can do 6th B, C, and D yourself. It is very easy. Next, question number 7. Question number 7. Do these sums in your notebook. You have to do all the questions in books also and in copy also. So question number 7, you can do vertically in your copy as like this. I am discussing on page number 47. 7R. 7R. Question number 7. R. 7,376. 7,376 plus 1,646. 646. You can do like this also. Ones place, adding with ones place. 6 and 6, 12, 2, 1 carry. Next, tens place, 7 and 4, 11 and 1 carry, 12, 2, again 1 carry. Next, hundred place, 6, 3, 9 and 1, 10, 0, again 1 carry, 7 and 1, 8. 8022. In this way also you can do, or you can do vertically also. 7376 plus 1646. You can add like this also. In vertical column, you can write this horizontally as horizontal column in this vertical column. 6, 6, 12, 2, 1 carry, 7, 4, 11 and 1, 12, 2, 1 carry. So 6, 3, 9 and 1, 10, again 1 carry, 7 and 1, 8 and 1, 9. Sorry, here it will be 9. So both answer is same, 9022, 9022. So dear student, you complete page number 47 today. I will explain next page tomorrow. Okay, for today's class. Thank you.